Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I haven't really done anything beauty related so far on this channel, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And specifically, I'm going to be doing an Empties review declutter type of thing. So I saved a bunch of skincare, hair care products since January. I wanted to review half a year's worth of beauty products look like, to see what worked, what didn't work, and all that good stuff. And another disclaimer that I want to put out there, a lot of these products I will not be repurchasing. And that is not because they didn't work. A lot of these products did do what it claims, was going to do. However, I personally am trying to transition into a kind of cleaner, natural, green beauty routine. A lot of these products wouldn't necessarily fit that, but that doesn't mean that they didn't work or they weren't great. I just wanted to throw that out there really quick. But we have a lot of products to talk about, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with skincare. I purchased this. This is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's like a serum. I purchased this at Ulta when they were having one of their kind of monthly events or sales. So I purchased this last year in 2017. It took me, I want to say, 2 months to use up the product. This product, I believe, retails for like $40 or around that area. I will not be repurchasing this. One, because the Bare Minerals in general just doesn't fall under the kind of beauty brands that I want to transition to using. But secondly, it just didn't do anything for my skin. If you're gonna be paying that much money, I want my skin to improve and I want it to look better, but it didn't make it worse. But I didn't see any noticeable changes. I don't know if 2 months wasn't enough time for that. Regardless, I think that's just a lot of money that I can be investing elsewhere. So that's the first product. So one product that I will absolutely not repurchase and I really disliked, and I was disappointed because I wanted to like this product so much because it was like one of the first products that from a brand that kind of was aligned with what I want to purchase in the future. And it's the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. Yeah, I know the tea tree has all these great properties and it's supposed to help with acne and clearing your skin and stuff, but this stuff made my skin worse. So I have very sensitive skin and I also have a little bit of adult acne and rosacea. So I was hoping that this would help soothe it and help clear it out and do all these great things, but really it stung almost immediately. My skin was burning as I was applying this and it just didn't work out and it just made it more irritated, and that's not what I want in a product. Fortunately, this stuff just didn't work and I will not be repurchasing this. Another Ulta purchase that I got, I think it was towards December. I want to say it was towards the holidays. They had these little skincare boxes where they had all these little trial-sized skincare items. There was 2 of them, and so I think they were like $15, very cheap. So 2 products that I have finished from that little box is the Fab Ultra Repair Cream and the Proactive Green Tea Moisturizer. I had high hopes for both of these products. For Fab, or First Aid Beauty, it says that it's fragrance free, it's allergy tested, their products are marketed more for people with sensitive skin. So I was hoping that it would be also, again, soothing and it would calm down any redness that I have, or just, I don't know. But it didn't do anything. It was great at moisturizing. But one of the key things that I'm looking for if I'm going to repurchase something also is did it improve my skin? If there was no improvement at all, then I'm going to keep looking and find a product that does. So not that there was anything in particular that was wrong with this product, there was no improvement, so I'm just going to move on. And for this product, I thought, okay, so maybe this will be okay because it's green tea. Maybe green tea is soothing too. I don't know. But no, this just didn't work at all either. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, so I think this is great for summer. If you don't want such a heavy moisturizer, this may be good for you, but just wasn't for me. So my cousin, which by the way, she has her own brand new YouTube channel, so you should definitely go check her out. I'll put her link in the description below. But she worked at this dermatologist office, and for Christmas, she gifted me this skincare set. I do believe this is kind of like the travel size version of the set, but still, like it was great, and I think they are pretty well known. So this is the Zoe Skin Health. This is the Ofex Hydrating Cleanser. I'm pretty sure they also repackaged this line. If they did, like, I'll put all the information in the description. I do believe this is more towards like anti-aging, and they do all say anti-aging formula on them. This is the Ofex Exfoliating Polish, and this is the Essential Daily Power Defense. This is pretty much just a face lotion. And then finally is this Eclipse Sunscreen and Primer. Right off the bat, this was my absolute favorite product out of all of these. I love this little, how it kind of pops up like that and then you squeeze out the product. I just love the 2-in-1 combination. It works great as a primer. It is so just soft. I love that feeling, and the fact that it also has SPF in it. So it has SPF 30. So I really love this. I really love the formula. I might repurchase this again. I'm not sure yet. I have to do some more research on the brand itself to see, you know, does it have clean ingredients? Is it cruelty free? All these good things. But as far as the product itself, I absolutely loved it. The second one that I really loved from that line is this, basically a face scrub. It might be a little bit too rough for sensitive skin, but sometimes I really like to feel like my skin is really soft and exfoliated, so I did enjoy this. I would not repurchase this again because I'm trying to stay away from facial scrubs, but it worked really well. And as far as the lotion and the cleanser, they were okay. I don't think there was anything special about them. I think overall the line is really good. Go check them out if you want, but yeah. Another product that I wanted to like is this Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser. It says on the back it has this feverfew, which is supposed to help soothe sensitive skin. It's fragrance free, it's soap free, it's hypoallergenic, and I really had high hopes that it would help calm the redness in my skin, but it didn't do anything. I think at certain points, like, I noticed my skin looked more red and more inflamed after using this product. Not gonna be repurchasing this. I finished this, but I actually used a good portion of this to just clean my makeup brushes. I didn't actually use it as a cleanser the entire way through. I used it to clean my brushes. It didn't do it for me. Okay, speaking of cleansers, the next one is gonna be this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This stuff is amazing. Like, it works so well at removing makeup. It did exactly what it says it was gonna do, except for the fact that this says mattifying. I've used this one and the pink one, which I think is like the normal, for normal skin or all skin types. No difference there. I didn't really notice an extra mattifying effect with this product. I don't know. I'm not going to be repurchasing this though, because again, it's just, I'm going to be looking for a more natural alternative. And secondly, as I've been kind of doing more research on how to take care of my skin, I did use this as a cleanser. Like, I would use a little cotton pad and cleanse my skin, and you know, it says like, yo, you don't have to rinse it off with water or anything. You can just wipe and go. It still leaves some kind of residue. It's not good to have that sitting on your face and not washing it off. So if I'm gonna clean my skin, I'm just gonna use a regular cleanser. I've been actually doing the oil cleansing method, and I have already seen quite an improvement. So if you're more curious about oil cleansing, leave a comment below and I will talk more about that in a separate video. So It does work well. You know, if you're looking for a good, you know, cheap drugstore makeup remover, this is gonna be a really good fit. So now on to body care. Really, it's like 2 lotions. The first one is this body lotion. I got this from Bath and Body Works. This is the Rose Quartz Soothing Body Cream. And this stuff smells so good. Like, I think it smells amazing. It says it has notes of rose water, lily petals, and fresh patchouli. It just smells refreshing to me. It smells luxurious at the same time. And along that same day, I also purchased this body butter. This is Amber and Argan body butter. Again, smells super luxurious. To me, this is a great like winter smell, like just a cozy scent. They do a great job at keeping my skin hydrated and moisturized. But again, they're just products that I probably won't repurchase. Look, I will try to either do more of a homemade kind of moisturizers, or looking for moisturizers with not so many ingredients. Okay, so we are done with these products, and I just want to thank you for staying till the end and watching this far into it, because I know this was a long video. So I really appreciate you for doing that. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.